everybody. We are back again.
Welcome.
Tottenham versus Arsenal. Very powerful derby match taking place today at the Emirates.
Yes.
On my side is my beautiful wife. I'm Augustine, and this is
STELLA.
Okay, we have missed you guys, and
yes.
Today our prediction, we just kick off and say it, isn't it?
Yours is what?
Mine is 3 goals to Arsenal,
Before
1
that.
to Tottenham. As we do the
Wow, 3 goals to Arsenal. That will be awesome.
1 goal to Uba, 1 goal to Saka, and 1 goal to Saka.
Okay, guys, if you haven't watched the last video, I got the prediction right.
Yeah.
What match was that again? Anyway, it was 1-0.
I came with Burnley, I think.
And I got it 1-0. So today, guys, I'm doing 2-0.
For you.
2-0, guys.
Okay.
Arsenal 2, Tottenham 0. Scored by Uba and Saka.
Beautiful.
Uba and Saka.
Okay, this is wonderful. So, guys, if it's your first time coming to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe.
Drop us a comment,
as we
guys.
quickly go into the match.
Drop us a comment.
I hope you enjoy it, okay?
Yeah. So, see you in first half. This is going to be very exciting.
All right.
Good. Beautiful.
Can somebody score that?
Yes. Yes.
You have gone,
Saka.
You have gone in by yourself.
Right wing. Yeah. The dissected. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah. Cheers, my Lord. Cheers.
Yes. Smith Rowe, thank you.
Cheers.
Guys, we dissected Arsenal.
On match.
Oh, beautiful.
He just strolled in and he placed
Smith Rowe?
No, grand ball.
Smith Rowe had oceans of
Grand
space.
ball.
He said, give it to me.
Yeah.
Odegaard to Saka, Saka to Smith Rowe.
They are finished. They are dead.
Triangle.
They are.
We dissected them. They are dead. We dissected them triangularly, guys. Triangularly. What kind of risk is
He
that?
has heart. Eh?
Do you know that he just... do you know?
I don't know what kind of heart. Hey!
Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing second goal in there?
With a good pass from one of the Arsenal players at the midfield, he connected to him. Get me back to Uba. He's the one who first gave that ball back.
Yes.
He gave that ball reverse pass.
Look at Uba assisted, gave it to Smith Rowe.
Smith Rowe that did what Saka did
and gave it back. That's
exactly. And Uba used left
that
foot.
Is copycat of Saka's
yes,
cross.
that's copycat of Saka's goal from the other side.
Smith Rowe assisting.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Uba scored with his left foot. See, left foot.
Look at that.
They finished the defense.
On ground, they cross the ball, sweetie.
Saka
I'm loving this Arsenal, though. I'm loving this Arsenal.
Arsenal 3, Tottenham control Tottenham's village. 0. We give glory to God. Our attackers have been on fire.
Yes.
There's no impediment from Tanganga, Tagaza, Kagana. All the defenders of Tottenham have been rolling on the floor. Scorers are Smith Rowe, Aubameyang, and Saka. We're going to give them a round of applause. Yes.
It was brilliant.
Just to let you know that the captain of Tottenham was rolling on the floor uncontrolled before Saka decided to score that
Yes,
goal.
guys.
Thank you very much.
We played fluid. Midfield was defense was neat, tight, professional. Guys, we are playing skillful
While
football.
on cloud 10.
Arsenal is back.
We are back. We see you second half.
Yeah.
Like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Follow us on
so that you don't miss what we are doing.
4 goals.
Just wait.
He saved them.
Mora is collapsed and falling on the
Two of them are two people are falling. The game. Son scores for Tottenham. No reaction, guys.
Because there was an injury before then.
Yeah, somebody is injured. A flag stays down. Doesn't make any sense.
Oh, from back.
When he was falling. That's why the referee didn't stop.
Yeah,
because he was falling. So it was Thomas that
Thomas that even caused the foul.
Oh, he didn't even look at the guy. He didn't look at the guy. Morris was falling.
He didn't expect the kick.
He didn't expect it because his eyes was on the ball. Matavede!
Oh! Yeah! My prediction! My prediction!
Congratulations!
I told you! You passed on the gist of it.
That's not for you. I was not going to congratulate the
prediction.
Prediction like 3-1, guys. Arsenal 3.
Tottenham control.
Congratulations to all Arsenal fans. We won the North London derby.
From gunnersloverstv, we greet you.
We greet all of you. We love all of you because
love you.
We have suffered so much. This victory is so important to Arsenal. To have us beat a top tier club. You know, we've lost all respect, but thank God today.
Back. Let's cheers to it.
True Tottenham, beating of Tottenham now. God has put us back on the map. Thank you, Ramsdale. Let's call on the neighbor. Congratulations. Thank you, Ramsdale.
Thank you, Ramsdale.
Man of the match is who?
I think it's Smith Rowe.
Smith Rowe is man of the match. Give him the chicken.
He gave
him the chicken.
He gave a goal and a powerful assist to
Smith Rowe. Now we're going to clap for every single body who plays.
Everybody that play for Arsenal.
Lokonga. No. Let's do the first 11. Aubameyang. Saka. Let's do defense salute. Saka.
Yes. And
Smith Rowe.
Yay. And Thomas Partey. And we have Saka. Saka. We have Tierney. And we have Gabriel Magalhaes.
Yes. Well done,
and we have Ben White.
Yes, Ben White.
Tommy Yasso.
Tommy Yasso.
Ramsdale.
Make some noise for Ramsdale. And then the subs, thank you so much.
Tavares, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Lokonga, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Coach Ateta.
Today you have passed your exam.
100% Ateta.
Arsenal has moved up the table. Where are we now? Arsenal number 10. Whoa.
Guys, we have got to top 10.
-5 now. Go defense has left -9.
Congratulations, every single Arsenal fan.
In fact, we are at the same point with Brentford, who is number 9.
Yes.
It's just that we.
To God be the glory. God, we thank you for Arsenal's victory.
We thank you, God.
Take all glory. Take all honor.
Amen.
In Jesus' mighty name.
Amen. Oh, this is wonderful.
Guys, like our video.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Click subscribe.
This kind of match does not come every day. This is fantastic.
Drop us a comment.
That was a comment.
What do you think? 3-1.
It's like Saka gave the shirt to somebody.
We beat Tottenham, guys.
Yes, Saka gave the shirt to somebody.
We beat Tottenham,
Number
guys.
7, I saw it.
Yes, guys.
Ramsey is happy.
We love you.
We love you.
Let's finish.
See you guys.